By using Klaxoon directly from Microsoft Teams, run powerful workshops and maximize team engagement at all times. Directly from Microsoft Teams Calendar, join your meeting and add the Klaxoon app by selecting the Add button in Other Actions. Select Klaxoon directly from the list of apps that appears. There are multiple ways to join Klaxoon in Teams. If your Microsoft Teams administrator has authorized it, you can enter your Microsoft credentials or choose the single sign-on for a faster identification. If this is your first time logging in, use your Klaxoon credentials. Once connected, 3 choices are available to you. Launch an existing activity available in your Workshop Studio, launch a new activity, or choose from over 300 templates already available in Klaxoon, and start collaborating instantly. With Klaxoon Board and Teams, turn your meetings into a full-on visual collaboration experience and give voice to all participants easily. Share ideas, collect feedback, and make decisions easily. Oh, and remember that all participants can join a workshop, whether they're Klaxoon users or not. Then, with Klaxoon Session in Teams, run a timed yet participative workshop and drive additional engagement by using Klaxoon's live voting, survey, and quiz features in one single place. Whether from a meeting or a channel, it is very easy to add a Klaxoon activity within Microsoft Teams. In your Teams channels, tag your Klaxoon workshop activities in order to allow your teammates to access them at any time. Whether before, during, or after a workshop, that's the best way to ideate, move forward, and generate impact all together. If you wish to do a live synchronization while using Klaxoon, simply launch a video conference directly in your Teams channel. And here you go! Get ready to feel more engaged, boost productivity, running efficient workshops with Klaxoon in Microsoft Teams.